We are the same in the darkness by Itamaro Bilaliza. Under the cloudy sky that covers our faces, no more positions, no more places. The rich, the poor, the brave, the meek, all are one in the darkness we seek. No name is greater, no soul is smaller. When a silence appears, it covers all. All that remains is the brave and beating thought, and the fragile hope that the darkness has cope. And in that emptiness, we come to know, in the darkness, we are all the same below. The first stanza, under the cloudy sky that covers our faces, no more positions, no more places. The rich, the poor, the brave, the meek, all are one in the darkness we see. Jemahannya, di bawah langit mendung yang menutupi wajah kita, tak ada lagi pangkat, tak ada lagi tempat. Yang kaya, yang miskin, yang berani, yang lemah, semuanya menjadi satu dalam gelap yang kita cari. Interpretation, this stanza suggests that in the darkness all human distinctions vanish. The cloudy sky symbolizes obscurity under which social ranks and personal traits become irrelevant. Whether rich or poor, brave or meek, everyone is equal in the unseen. The final line hints that this darkness is not just endured but sought, a place of unity beyond identity and division. The literary devices from symbolism, cloudy sky as confusion, concealment, darkness means that truth, humility, or spiritual searching. The second is antithesis. The rich, the poor, the brave, the meek, it means contrast that emphasizes universality. And the third is alliteration, soft repetition of R and M sounds, more ranks, more places. The tone, calm, meditative, and slightly somber. The second stanza, no name is greater, no soul is smaller. When silence appears, it covers all. All that remains is brave and beating thought, and the fragile hope that the darkness has coped. Terjemahannya, tak ada nama yang lebih agung, tak ada jiwa yang lebih kecil. Saat keheningan datang, ia menyelimuti segalanya. Yang tersisa hanyalah nafas dan pikiran yang berdetak, dan harapan rapuh telah ditangkap oleh kegelapan. The interpretation, this stanza conveys that in silence and darkness, all social distinctions fade, no one is greater or lesser. What endures is the core of our humanity, great, loud, and fragile hope. It reflects how, in moments of stillness or death, labels disappear and only our shared essence remains. The literary devices, the first is personification. Silence appears and covers all, it's giving silence an active role. Darkness has code, darkness acts like a living force. The next is imagery, breathe, beating thought, fragile hope. It means great sensory and emotional depth. And the next is symbolism. Silence, it means stillness of death or spiritual realization. Hope called by darkness, it means hope surviving in suffering. The next is alliteration. Breath and beating creates a pulsing heartbeat like sound. The tone here is reflective, quiet, slightly vulnerable. And the last stanza is the third. And in that emptiness we come to know, in the darkness we are all the same below. So here the structure is AA. The and the before the first and the second stanza is AABB, but the third is just AA. The translation, dan dalam kehampaan itu kita mulai mengerti bahwa dalam kegelapan kita semua sama di bawah sana. The interpretation, the final realization comes from embracing emptiness or darkness, suggesting that only when everything else is stripped away do we understand true equality. Below may symbolize the grave or a deeper spiritual realm where all humans are equal. Literary devices. The first is symbolism. Emptiness means death, stillness, surrender, or spiritual vacuum. Below means the grave, humility, or the spiritual core. The tone here, peaceful, wise, accepting. And the sound, simple rhyme, steady rhythm, slowing the pace for reflection. Okay, thank you for listening my poem. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.